All right, I see this question get asked a ton on my channel and on the Garmin Livescope forums. So this is the 3 ways that you can record your Livescope footage. So you can just show it on Facebook, show it on YouTube, wherever you want to display it on. So the cheapest, not really not the cheapest way, the easiest way, if you have an Echo Map, any of the Echo Map series, you cannot do it the easy way, which is record it to your phone or with a aver media device. You need to use a GoPro. So the best way to do that is to take a GoPro like this, or even just a cheapo one, and all you have to do is bend it down like that and record your screen. Now the issue with that is it creates a lot of glare, and you have to dodge around your recording all day or your screen all day. It's kind of a giant pain in the butt, but I've done it before. It works. It gives you gives your audience a good view of what you're doing. Number 2, this is the more foolproof way. If you have, I'm gonna list a whole series of them right here, ones that have HDMI out. What you need is an AverMedia 2 Plus live gamer portable device, and what this is, it has HDMI in, a power supply, and it actually has an SD card on the back that records everything that you're seeing on that's coming out of that thing. You basically just hit that button, blinks red, and that records your whole day. The other way to do it is if you have Echo Map Ultra 2, the 12-inch one, which is the one that just came out last year, or any of the GPS models that have Active Captain Helm, which I'm going to show you right now. You can also record that way. It's a little laggy, but you just got to match it up later in editing. So you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi is on, and you need to go to your Garmin Active Captain app, and you need to be synced with your device. You can't do this with Echo Map. You can only do this with the new Echo Map Ultra 2 or the list of the ones beside me here. Basically the GPS map series, 8000 series, and I think the new 9000 series does it. Go to Helm, and then you'll see on the screen there, you got to click that one more time, and then the top right corner you click that, and that starts recording your screen. Now what's cool about this is I can now walk away from my sonar, like I can go check a tip up, and I can go look at my screen while I'm doing this. Or if I have a tablet that has Android or Apple on it, I can actually put another screen in the front of my boat with someone or one of my clients. They can look at my big screen, I can see this, so I don't have to share the same screen and be like hovering over their shoulder, which is kind of cool. There's a slight delay. I don't think there's any delay in the AverMedia stuff because it's recording initially and you're not seeing the device. You can record out of that into a TV, which would be kind of cool. So you record and then put it to a fish house TV if you wanted to. And then in order to like sync up the stuff, I just keep the timestamp on the left-hand corner there. And I say 1:55, started recording 1:54, basically 1 minute in. Stop that recording. Now that recording saves to your phone, and I just back that stuff up to the cloud after, and I just download it off of the cloud, off of Google Photos basically. And that's how I record Livescope. Now I think Lowrance has some similar stuff to it as well, but this is how you do Garmin. And I'll leave the link for the AverMedia device and all the devices that I can find, or like you can go to the website, Garmin's website, and kind of sort by which ones have HDMI out, which is the best. This is the Garmin GPS map 1243XSV, so it has the HDMI out. Thanks for watching.